How to add apps on desktop in Windows 11. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start the video. The first step, we need to go in setting. Okay, come to the search bar and search for settings. Click on settings, then you will see the settings here. Now we need to go in this option, personalizations, and under the personalizations we need to find out themes option. This is the themes option, we need to click on it, and here you can see the desktop icon setting. Okay, we need to click on it, and now maybe your case it is like untick, so you need to tick which you want to add on desktop. Okay, after tick you can apply, it will be add. Okay, and if you want to change the icon, like icon image, just select that app and go to the change icon, and you can select the any icon from here and just click OK, and then the icon will be changed. Okay, just check mark all apps which you want to add on desktop and just apply. It will be added to your desktop home screen. And if you want to restore the default setting, you just click on default and apply. Okay, and if you want to add any other app on desktop, then you need to just go to that app, and if you want to add this app on desktops, just go to the all app and find the app which you want to add in desktop. Okay, so if you want to add this app, then just right click on it, right click on it and go to the more. Okay, let me find out. Okay, if you want to add this icon, just right click on it, go to the more and go to the open file location, and after file open, just right click on this selected app and go to the more option and send it to the desktop shortcuts key. Okay, then this icon will be added to your desktop. Okay, in my case my desktop is hidden, so it is not showing here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.